Take a ride in the 2018 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.